Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to recover a deleted Excel file. First, always check your recycle bin or trash. This is the simplest solution for recently deleted items. If it's not there, don't panic. We'll explore other effective methods, including built-in operating system features and powerful third-party tools. Acting quickly significantly increases your chances of successful recovery. So let's dive right in and get your important data back. Your very first step should always be to check the recycle bin on Windows or the trash on Mac OS. This is where recently deleted files are temporarily stored for about 30 days, or until you manually empty it. Simply open the icon, find your Excel file, right-click it, and choose Restore. This action will instantly move the file back to its original folder, often saving you a lot of time and effort. If the recycle bin is empty, your operating system might offer a solution. Windows has file history and previous versions, while Mac OS uses Time Machine. These features create backups of your files and folders at regular intervals. You can navigate to the folder where your Excel file was, view its past states, and restore an earlier version. This is incredibly useful for recovering not just deleted files, but also older iterations of documents. For files permanently deleted or not found through other methods, specialized data recovery software is your best bet. Tools like Retrieval or Disk Drill can scan your hard drive for remnants of deleted files. It's crucial to install this software on a different drive to avoid overwriting the deleted data. After scanning, you can often preview the file and recover it to a new, safe location, giving you a high chance of getting your Excel document back.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.